When people are gasping for breath at the end of their life, they are not suffering. That is a very normal end-of-life respiratory pattern where it looks like they're really pulling on air and not getting any, but they, at that point, are checked out. They are unresponsive. You can tell by looking at their eyes. There's nobody there anymore. It's almost like an autonomic reflex that their body is going through. They do not appear to be uncomfortable or suffering in any way whatsoever when they're going through that breathing process.